Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the best software for logo design that's free. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course there are plenty of different softwares that you can use, and you've got options like Canva, and that sort of platform has versatile graphic designs, and it offers free versions with logo making capabilities. You've got Hatchful, and that's by Shopify, and that logo maker is specifically designed for businesses and entrepreneurs. And then you've got ones like Logo Maker and Design Evo, so plenty of other ones out there, but the one that I'm recommending the most would be the Wix Logo Maker. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it and take a look at what it has to offer. So we are currently signed in. All you need to do is sign in on the top right here. Of course I can choose to sign out, or you can create a account yourselves. So this is the login process, and you can choose to sign up if you don't already have an account with Wix. So I'm going to go ahead and log in anyway, so I'll go back to where I was. So this is what it initially looks like. So this is the Wix Logo Maker. Now, we have already created a couple of different ones, like things to do in Belfast. We've got one for Web Design Belfast as well. And just to demonstrate its usefulness, you can see that it has been used for our internal brand website. So there's the Web Design Belfast, and of course it ties in and blends in well as it's being used as a logo for a website. Now it has other uses as well. You can use it for a favicon, or you can use it for a brand. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that. So anyway, to get started, it's fairly simple. So you can choose by selecting this big plus sign, or you can go ahead and go to the new logo just located on the top right. So just go ahead and click on the new logo. Now you've got a couple of options there where you can create the logo yourself, or you can hire a professional designer to do so. But of course you want to go ahead and attempt it yourself, see what you can come up with for your brand. So we're going to go ahead and create a logo. Now it'll ask you a couple of questions just to get you started. So firstly, it's going to say start designing your logo, so add the name of your business or organization. So we are called ProfileTree. And you can add a tagline if your business has a tagline if you want, so that is optional. We're going to go ahead and continue. It'll ask what your logo's for, so we'll just say something along the lines of digital marketing. So a few options: digital marketing agency, you've got one for consultant, consulting firm, portfolio, digital design agency, a couple of options there. So it does give you the closest keywords. So there's UI UX design agency, information technology consultant. So it has a lot of options to offer in terms of the closest name. Anyway, we're going to go for the digital marketing agency. Let's see if that comes up with anything. So digital marketing agency. So we'll click next. Then it'll ask you, how should your logo look and feel? So it's pre-made. It's like an ADI, so it's artificial design intelligence. You'll have the AI building it for you. So you can choose a couple of different types there. So we're going to go for dynamic, we're going to go for something playful, we're going to go for something creative, even something techy. Of course, you can choose all the options and it'll give you far more options to pick. But that's the sort of keywords I want to choose for. So dynamic, playful, creative, and techy. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now it'll give you 5 different design logos that you choose from. So you'll get 2 options for each one. So it'll ask us whether we want the left side design logo or the right one. I'm going to go ahead and select the left one. So there's Pierce Valley or Running Fit. If you don't like either of them, you can choose I don't like either of them. So that'll take it into consideration. Here's one. So soulful stitches alterations. Makes sense. It's got a little needle there with a thread. and L table, so party style, so something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this, so you sort of get the gist on that and how that works. So it'll give us a couple of suitable and stunning logos for your website. So there's a couple of parts there. Profile tree, you've got profile tree again. So one's with logos, one with just text. I don't quite know what's going on with this one, but it will automate a couple of different ones for you. So quite a few designs to choose from, as you can see. It goes all the way down, so you've got one there with an X. Some of them will have different design fonts. Some of them will be slim, some of them will be nice and bold, and you can see it'll display how it will look on your website or your brand. So that's how ProfileTree currently looks. I did like the look of this one, but maybe we can change the mountains into a tree instead. So chooses those types of colors. That's how the business cards will look, how the sort of brand title logo will look. It'll give you merchandise as well, so it just gives you a fair idea on how you can branch out this sort of logo using the Wix logo maker. We'll go for this one maybe. Yeah, I'll go ahead and select for this one, or this one. So we'll actually stick with that ProfileTree one that's nice and sleek. So once I'm happy enough with the choice I've made, I can go ahead and customize the logo. So there's a couple of options I can do here. This isn't fully it. Of course, I can choose the different colorways that they have. If I'm not happy with the changes, I can always undo, and that's located on the top left there, or top right, sorry. So just undo everything. As you can see, that did give us a background. So this one's like a red with a white. Antique Muse, we've got a green and red, baby flamingo. So that will sort of give you the right idea on how it will look. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep it nice and plain. Of course, I can choose the background color if I want. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the white version. Of course, there are color wheels to that. You can change the color here as well. You don't need to add a dash into it, it's already pre-added, and that's great as well if you have a color scheme. You've got the color that you want, so you can just add the code in. You can upload a couple of your own images into this as well if you want to. So enough of that. What we're going to do is we'll see and take a look at some of the parts that we can add on. So interchangeable. So there's like parts that you can add in. So this one's like a profile tree one. I can have a solid color of let's just say like an orangey color. And then I can put this in front. So I can get quite creative with this. And then let's just say with the other shapes, I can add icons as well. So if I wanted to search up maybe for a tree, let's see if I can get one for a tree. There's a couple of options there for a tree. So I can add it in like that. And then with the solid colors, let's see if we can get a brown in, like a barky color. And so pretty much just play a bit with the color wheel, see what you can do with it. So something like that. Now it's not the best logo out there, but you can get creative with it, and you can change the logo as well, or the text, the font. and there's alignment changes as well that you can do, and sizing, you can flip it as well if you want to get a bit creative with it. And I can text curve that as well, so a couple of options there, but I'm happy enough as is. So once you are happy enough, so that's everything there. That's all the different elements that you can use in order to customize your logo. Once you are happy, all you need to do is select the next button on the top right. So that'll save everything for you. So this is how it will look on your website. So of course this is an online booking website. I can do one for a basic website. I can do a landing page website. So gives us an overall look as to how it will look. Matches the different colors for us. There's basic website as well. Nice and plain. But again, you don't need to pick one with the website. You can go ahead and choose just the logo itself. So go ahead and just say I just need a logo. Now you'll get two different options there where it'll say you can either go for an advanced or basic. Now advanced of course gives you well both of them give you the full commercial usage rights, and you also get the standard logo files, but with the advanced you'll get resizable logo files which you may need in order to correct for the favicon. Maybe if you're doing some branding as well, like business cards, if you have a physical business. You have social media logo files as well, so perfect for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Snapchat if you're looking to maybe branch out a little bit more. But if you do just want the logo and you just want it completely for free, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can go ahead and try out the sample logo. So just go ahead and click on that. That'll give you a little bar there at the bottom saying that it's been downloaded. So that pretty much is what it's going to look like. So that's what the downloaded file is. Now again, don't expect 100% quality. Of course it is just a free sample, so it will be a little bit blurry, but if it does the job as well, if you're just using it maybe just as a business logo for social media, you can go ahead and use it. Works fine since it will be in small, but it won't really work out for if you're selling maybe merchandise or anything like that. So that is pretty much the overall look. But yes guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. As you can see, very easy to set up the Wix logo maker. All you need to do is just sign up for it. And now on top of that as well, if you do decide to maybe purchase the full thing, you can get a website with it. So that is a nice little bundle to have, especially if you're starting off for a website. But guys, as I said, that reaches the end of the video. If you did enjoy and found the video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.